Yo, what's good? What's good, team? I hope you all had a great and profitable week. My week was not that profitable. I started so good on Monday, made 300 grand, and then I lost it all during the week. Made a couple of mistakes, and I didn't have the best week. For all of you who following my free Telegram channel, they know. One of my friends had a very bad car accident. The whole car was completely burned out, and yeah, pretty lucky that he woke up out of coma. So he will probably survive, but he's still on the intensive station in the hospital, and he's burned. Like, the tank of the car exploded and all that shit. Like, he was so unlucky, man. Crazy. And that happened Monday night, and I knew about it on Tuesday. I was not trading Tuesday, and the rest of the week I took a couple of trades, but I was not in my best. I was not in my zone. Like, I was not patient enough to wait for really good entry, and I got stopped out just too much. And then at the end, I completely missed out on that huge run, like crazy. I missed out on so many pips. Fuck it. But yeah, let me show you my phone screen real quick so I can show you the trades. Well, I lost around 250 grand. Even if I started so good on Monday, I was loading it up on a good trade, made 300 grand, 325 or something like that. But then after that, I just had a losing streak. Like, I was trading 3 days, 3 days of losses. Yeah. So one of the losing trades was this one here. I thought this was the retracement, and when I saw that market start making this bullish structure, I was getting in, and the market turned against me instantly, pushed down. Then I thought, okay, this could be downward channel, so I was trying to get in again. I don't know, I think around in this area. Yeah, I think it was here. My stop first of all was above here, and then market came into my way. I was like, yeah, that's a good trade, and then it came back, and then I was holding it through the whole consolidation overnight like a stupid fuck. And then at the end, yeah, I got stopped out somewhere around in this area in the morning, like around 7 in the morning. Yeah, lost that trade because I was holding it. I was married to this trade, man. It was so stupid because the market was not going anywhere and the channel got not respected. I don't know why I was holding on to that trade, to be honest. I don't know. Like, I was not in my zone, couldn't make a good decision. I was not in my trading mind. I mean, all this shit happened to my friend, and I don't know what I did. And then on top of that, I was getting like 300-400 messages from people who want to know how to trade. Like, damn, I don't know what was going on. I was definitely not in my zone. Took that L. And then I was like, okay, now the bullish structure starts kicking in. Boom, let's trade this breakout. Took the trade, got stopped out because the market made a huge push down. I was like, fuck, this must be just a stop run. Like, let's try it again. I was getting in again. Boom, market turned against me, made that final stop run. Boom. And then this would have been the perfect entry, or somewhere around in this area. Normally I would have taken this one, but I was not looking at my charts. I was so pissed. I don't know, I didn't look at my charts. I looked at my charts when the market was somewhere around in this area, and I was like, damn, that's not good. That's not a good entry. That's too late. But this would have been a good entry as well. But you never know. You never know that the market is pushing like this, you know. So yeah, I ended up losing a couple of trades. Made fat ass losses. But let me show you the screen real quick again. Let me show you the week before that. So the week before that we made like 500 grand. So we still good. We still good. If we take the last month, we are up around 300 grand. Last 3 months, we up around 2.6 million. That's cool, man. So everything is good. Just a losing week. Nothing to worry about. I will continue to trade. I will continue to take my shots, and then we continue to make some money, of course. Everybody can have a bad week, you know. You always have to see the result at the end of the year, the end of the month, you know. This is what counts. You really have to become like, you need to see the long-term game, because that's what it is. You cannot win every day. You cannot win every week. Maybe you cannot win every month. Some month you're down. It can happen, you know. But as long as you have the long-term vision, you see the long-term game, everything will be fine. You just need to stay consistent. Okay. So yeah, that was my GOAT week. Didn't make the best decisions. Got fucked here in this area and missed out on that big ass move. That's so sad, man. You cannot believe how pissed off I was yesterday, man. Everybody was asking me, what's good, what's up with you, man? Why you look so sad, man? What's good? Now I was like, fuck it, never mind. Yeah, but I hope your week was profitable. I've seen a couple of my students who catch this move, because it was a pretty nice stop hand double bottom with a break of structure, and that's the perfect move to get in. Like, damn, next time I'm gonna wait for that move, because gold is making this move so many times around at significant levels. First of all, it gives you the move, you think that's the move, and then there comes the stop on the double bottom, and boom, after that break of structure, that's the perfect entry. But not this week, not for me this week. I had to take the L, take the loss, and move on. Next week will be better, I'm sure. We'll be better prepared, and for my mental game, I will be better prepared. Yeah, guys, I wish you all the best. I hope that you could have learned from my failures. Like, if you see the market moving in this consolidation, guys, and it is not moving at all, then just get out. Because if we trade the lower time frames, I'm telling you, the longer we stay in a position, the more money we're gonna lose. So if you have a consolidation, you better close that trade. And that's it, guys. I wish you all the best. Peace out. Enjoy your weekend, and we see you on the giveaway on Sunday. If you don't know about the giveaway yet, make sure to check the links in the description. Join my free Telegram channel. I will keep you updated about giveaways, results, trades, and all that good stuff. And yeah, join the group. If you need some help, drop me a message. I will answer you as quick as I can. But you need some patience, because many people are sending me messages right now. It's not easy to answer them all on time, but I will give my best, guys. Peace out. Have a good day.